and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have another Stitch Fix. It is a clothing styling service or subscription service, however you would like to say that. There will be a playlist linked down below. I should still have a link if you want to try Stitch Fix. I should still have a link to where you get $50 towards your first fix. And then if you sign up, when you get your first fix, then I also get $50 toward my next fix. That link will be down below. But if you don't know what a clothing styling service is, just real quick, you go online, you fill out a profile, you get connected with a stylist, and you can request fixes however often you want. You can pause them for how often or however long you want. But again, like I said, there will be a playlist down below with a bunch more information if you're interested in checking that out. Any updates? Not really. Getting ready to head out for Vegas. There is a giveaway going on. That will be linked down below. That's really it. Let's get into Stitch Fix. So I don't know exactly what is going on with this service, but I was not able to leave a note for my stylist. I actually didn't even know that this fix was coming, and I even tried to cancel this fix. My most recent fix, I just sent back a couple of days ago. I did not record it. I just didn't have the time and didn't feel like it at the time, and I needed to get the fix back out the door. But this one came with absolutely no warning. So I don't know if their site is a little jacked right now or if it's just because of the pandemic. When I reached out to customer service, they said it was because of the pandemic. I don't know. I have never received a fix before, basically before I even sent the one before that back, so I don't know. But anyway, you dig in and you get a style card. You get a note from your stylist. I will pin that up in the corner or just on the screen somewhere. And this basically just gives you ideas of how to wear the things or how to style the things that they put in here. I've never used these, but I think they're fun to look at. I typically end up tossing them. Some people collect them, what have you. You also get an invoice. And I will also pin that up in the corner. With Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 pieces, you do get a 25% discount on your entire fix. Let's see. That's really about it. I think I've covered you get a return shipping bag with a label. Anything you don't keep, you toss in this bag, toss it back in the mail, you're good to go. It depends on what you're more comfortable with. Some people just shove it in their mailbox. Sometimes we've just shoved it in the mailbox if it's just a super tiny bag. But ultimately, I think you end up going and dropping it off at the post office, right? For the most part?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here is the bundle. I did peek. I'm not sure how I feel about these things, so let's get into it. First up, we have the hand-won tie detail top by CC Sportswear in black and a size small for $74. We also have the Fia cuffed cropped trouser by Tribal in tan and a size 4 for $58. I think the trouser fits me well, but it's just not my thing. It's not something that I'm looking for. I don't need any more pants. It's just not my thing. And I think that this is one of the downfalls of constantly getting a new stylist, is that they can never stick around to actually get how you're feeling, I guess. But once you can nail down a stylist, I think that it really is super helpful as far as getting down your style and stuff. This top has no stretch in it, so it is not fitting properly. It is too tight across the shoulders and the bust. I do like the detail. I do love polka dots, but this would have been a shirt that I would have had to size up in. Next up, we have the Magdalene Pearl Detailed Top by Karl Lagerfeld, Paris. in the color blush in a size small for $58. Again, this shirt is made of a material that is not very stretchable or breathable, so you can see that it is just too tight, just right across my bust line. It fits everywhere else, but just right there. You can see that it buckles because it's too tight, which means it's not very comfortable to move in, because if I move my shoulders back like a normal person, then the button will pop out. So unfortunately, this shirt will also be a no. Next up, we have a Camilo tweed knit dress in purple by Karl Lagerfeld, Paris, in a size 4 for $108. I absolutely love this dress. This is on point with my style. It looks like it might be more of a winter dress, but I can definitely see this. It doesn't feel as heavy as it looks, so I can definitely see this as a spring, fall, and winter dress. This is definitely going in the maybe pile. I do like it. I love the little fringe detailing around the neck and around the pockets. I love the little, what are these things? The buttons, the like faux pearl buttons, and these are actual pockets. You can actually undo this. I'm not going to, but you can actually undo the buttons, and these are actual pockets. So this is definitely going in the maybe pile. And last but not least, we have the Marlowe fitted knit dress in Houndstooth by Calvin Klein Dresses in blue in a size 4 for $88. I absolutely love this dress too. This dress is right up my style, right up my alley. It is a little longer than I like, but with this dress, I don't mind it so much. Typically, I like above the knee. This is right at mid-knee. It's okay. If I were taller, that probably wouldn't be an issue. But I do love this dress, and it is going into the maybe pile, so here's that. Okay, you guys, so that was my Stitch Fix. Even though I did gripe a little bit in the beginning about the tops and the pants and the stylist, overall, I think that this fix is a success. Generally, I feel like fixes are a success as long as I can take away one outfit from a box. So for me, I do feel like this was a success. I do feel like it at least partially nailed down my style. I mean, don't get me wrong, the tops, I love the style of them. They just, because of the material, they were too tight. I will put up in the corners the ones I decide to keep, but I am leaning towards keeping both of the dresses. And that's really it. That was my Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it took you out of your space for a little bit today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.